Chapter 12. Flowers. We will learn buds bloom into flowers, parts of a flower, seasonal flowers, non-flowering plants, honey from flowers, extracting honey, flowers in our lives, uses of flowers. The most beautiful parts of the plant are flowers. Plants have different types of flowers. They are of different shapes, sizes, colors, and fragrance. They bloom at different times of the year. Flowers grow from buds. They burst open and petals spread out to form flowers. Some plants like grass and weeds do not have bright colored or fragrant flowers. Fact file. A bud is the swollen portion at the end of a stem that will mature into a flower. Buds bloom into flowers. Flowers help plants to reproduce more of their own kind. They make new seeds and reproduce by the process called pollination. Parts of a plant. Petal is the bright colored part of a flower. Sepals are the small green leaves that protect the flower bud. Stamen is the male part of a flower. It is made up of anther and filament. Anther produces the pollen grains. Pistil or carpel is the female part of a flower. Stigma, style, and ovary are its parts. When the pollen and the ovules in the ovary meet, a fruit is formed. Pollen from one flower is carried to another flower by the birds, butterflies, bees, wind, or water. Seasonal flowers. Some flowers bloom only in a particular season. They are called seasonal flowers. Flowers of spring season. Tulips and daffodils bloom in spring season. Flowers of winter season. Dahlia, pansy, calendula, petunia, rose, and chrysanthemum bloom in winters. Flowers that bloom throughout the year. Lily, bougainvillea, and marigold bloom throughout the year. Non-flowering plants. All plants do not bear flowers. Plants like fern, fungi, and moss do not have flowers. Even pine trees do not bear flowers. Honey from flowers. Honey bees visit flowers. They suck nectar from flowers and carry it to their hive. A beehive is a place where a bee colony lives. It is made up of hexagonal, six-sided cells called combs. These combs are like small rooms where the bees store nectar and pollen, lay eggs and raise their young ones. The bees spit out the nectar that they collect from flowers and seal the comb with wax they produce. Slowly, this nectar changes into honey. This way, honey is made from flowers. Fact file. Honey bees are of three types: the queen bee, the worker bee, and the drone bee. Extracting honey. In an apiary, beekeepers rear honey bees, collect honey, and then sell it in the market. When a honeycomb is full of honey, it starts dripping as the cells that store honey become weak and begin to crack. The beekeeper then knows it is the time to extract the honey from it. Honey is collected by burning a fire under the tree. The heat and smoke make the bees fly away, and thus honey can be collected. Flowers in our lives. Flowers bring joy, beauty, fragrance, color, and freshness in our lives. No celebration is complete without flowers. They are used in prayers, festivals, and weddings. Fact file. The people who rear bees are called apiarists. A person who sells flowers is called a florist. Uses of flowers. Flowers of cauliflower, broccoli, banana, and pumpkin are eaten as vegetables. The most expensive spice, saffron, is made by drying parts of crocus flowers. Clove and caper are other flower spices. Guests are welcomed with bouquets and baskets of flowers on special occasions. The sweet-smelling flowers of jasmine, rose and lavender are used to make perfumes. The petals of flowers are used to make rangoli. Many women wear flowers in their hair in the form of gajra. Petals of some flowers are used to make dry colors called gulal during holy celebrations. On religious festivals, idols of deities are decorated with garlands made of marigolds and roses. Rose petals are used in gulkand. It is the sweet mixture used in palm leaves or medicines. Floral designs are used by designers to decorate rugs, carpets, jewelry, vases, bed sheets, and fabrics. Dried flowers are used to make potpourri. Keyword: pollination. Transfer of pollen to the ovules in the ovary of a flower. Stamen, male part of a flower. Pistil, carpel, female part of a flower. Beehive, a place where a bee colony lives. Apiary, a place where beehives of honeybees are kept. Points to recall. The most beautiful parts of plants are flowers. Buds bloom into flowers. Flowers make new seeds and reproduce by the process of pollination. Petals, sepals, stamen and pistil or carpel are the parts of a flower. Bees make honey from the nectar of flowers. Flowers bring joy, beauty, fragrance, color, freshness in our life.